Number one is truly they are loving God more than their properties, more than their loved ones. Yes, because we can love our work, we can love our loved ones. Ang iba nga, mahal na mahal ang property nila, mahal na mahal ang trabaho.
Father, I said till death do us part. I want to
Minahal ko si Steph bilang sister. And also, ang pinaka nagpaganda talaga sa kanya is yung pananampalataya niya sa Lord. And doon ako pinaka na-amaze kasi doon ko nakita na kapag nanampalataya ka talaga sa Lord, you can be everything. I mean, you can be a wife material, you can be a husband material.
Minahal ko siya kasi he's very responsible. At higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. So, ang dami niyang pangarap, ang dami niyang gustong marating. At lahat ng yun, lahat ng paghihirap niya, nakikita ko yung bunga sa biyaya ng Panginoon.
Hi, Mahal. I hope you like my gift. See you later. I love you.
Bilog na ako. Ay,
Iba to!
I pray.
Dear Mahal, this is my gift for you para mas lalo tayong magkaintindihan. Nawa magustuhan mo. I love you.
Sabi may ganyan din ako eh.
Than anyone else, and bring him in your presence today. Make him what you want him to be.
Mahal kita bilang ikaw, mahal kita maging sino ka man. And mahal na mahal at patuloy kitang mamahalin. Patuloy kong pipiliin na mahalin ka. Kaya ngayon, sa pagkakataong ito, mangangako ako na mamahalin ka ng buong puso at mamahalin ka for the rest of my life.
I pray na as we move on to our next journey, mas magiging matibay tayong dalawa kasama ang Diyos. So, wala naman tayong hindi kinaya ng LDR. And I believe na mas kakayanin natin kung ano man yung kaharapin natin. Dahil iba ng journey ang kakaharapin natin. So, excited ako makita ka mamaya. Kang iiyak ka. So, see you later. I love you so much.
I pray to cherish and serve her. Will bring you glory today. I pray to hear her heart. I pray she'll love you more. I pray to cherish and serve her. Will bring you glory today. I pray. This is my prayer.